It's going to be so hard to see when it passes.
I know.
We're going to get a massive RFD.
Tornado warning remains set till 4:45 p.m. for northern Lee County. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northern Canada, western Canadian, and southern Blaine counties. At 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, radar continues to indicate the possibility of a tornado in the southeast of
up a little bit so don't get cold.
storm will likely cross Interstate 40 between miles makers 111 and 106. The storm is off moving northeast at 40 miles an hour.
Losing visibility.
Warning include Bridgeport, Calumet, Cedar Lake, Erie, and Hampton. In addition to a tornado threat, this storm likely damage hail to the size of baseball or larger. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northern Canadian County. At 4:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large violent tornado was located 5 miles southwest of Toronto, located at 30 miles an hour. Toronto, Toronto, Piedmont, northern parts of the Yukon, Hilger, Lake, Maurice, Washington, Calumet, Toronto, Toronto, western Oklahoma City, Kearney,
There it is.
Wow. Window, window. Oh my gosh.
Keep an eye on it. See how close we are. See how close we are to it. Almost.
You saw the visibility of it?
RFD.
The RFD.
Over 100 miles an hour probably. As big as that was.
Wow. Oh man. Two-story house.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That semi, how could you have no idea?
I meant to bring my hat.
Live, back to you.
Okay, Marika, appreciate that. Report of a tornado crossing 40 at the Dale exit. And that was a pretty recent report. So that's going to be backtrack just a little west and south on that. That's going to be down here by McLeod. And Dale here is right here. So this is, it's back here on the back of this complex. There's probably a little rope hanging out of the very back of this thing. So that's still Meeker and Jacktown. David, if you hear us on the Gentner, you might turn around and look back to the west. It's probably lifted, but there's crazy wind shear coming out right now. And these storms start just becoming complete freaks the way they operate. Everything starts spinning. So there's something hanging back at I-40 near the Dale exit and Meeker and Jacktown. So the bottom line is this is the same one that's heading for Chandler and Sparks and Stroud. So don't take it lightly. That might be a little thing sticking out of the very back of the rotating updraft. The main missile is probably east of there, but it could put down a little needle as it comes across. And apparently it may have just done that near Jacktown. So Jacktown, Meeker, Sparks, up toward Chandler, Davenport, and Stroud. Let's walk down here to the Seminole storm. And there's Seminole 709 all in through there.
Can you lean over and see it?
Northern Seminole County heading toward Okemah. That's a crazy storm. Let's walk all the way down to Ardmore. Look at Ardmore here. Ardmore, this has been a very, very bad storm down here near Ardmore. We're going to take a look at it again. It's like it's coming into town right now. And let's take a look at it. Yeah, this is not good. On your ham radio operators, contact those folks down in Ardmore so you get a ham from Ardmore. Now let's find out what's going on down in Oklahoma.
Yes, Mike, I'm on I-35 and just south of the rest stop here, south of Wynnewood, and I've got a wind going to about 50 miles an hour, and it's like a downward effect. I've got winds just whipping around and rain.
Did you get it?
Yeah.